Hello everyone, greeting of the day. In this video, this is Ashireka. In this video, we are going to see overhead versus underground system. So what we're going to compare. So fault location in overhead, you are going to locate the fault very easily because it is visible. But underground, it is not visible because it is buried. And it is difficult in which place exactly the fault has been occurred. Then initial cost in your overhead line is very less because I don't have any digging methods. But in your underground cable, the initial cost is very high because much I need to digging all those wires should be, buried, all those things. So the initial cost is very more in underground cable. Then chance of fault. The fault is very high in your overhead line because it acts with your environmental conditions. But in your underground cables are not exposed to the environment and less chances are there. The environmental impacts are not there in your underground cable. Then regarding your safety, this is less safety as conductor places on the tower, and this is safer because it is underground. It is not visible. So useful life in the system, useful life means it can be useful approximately 20 to 25 years, but it is of 40 to 50 years because fault is less and it is not exposed. So I'm having a useful life of 40 to 50 years. Then appearance, it was not looking nice because I have to have lot of wire connection going from where to where, conductor, transformer, etc. But appearance is good because it is invisible. Again, maintenance cost, no need to dig if some maintenance problem is there. So this is having less cost. If suppose I'm in an underground system, I'm having a problem, I have to dig totally what I have done and I have to see what problem exactly there. So again, maintenance cost is very high in your underground system. Then your flexibility more flexible because the expansion of system is very easy. See, overhead system, if I want a new transformer or new line, I can able to do then and there. Flexibility, if I want to include a transformer, I can able to do it. But no, it is not flexible. The expansion is costly because I want to dig, I want to extend the wires, all those things. It is very hard in your underground system. And your conductor size, the conductor plays in at atmosphere, the heat dissipation is be better. So since it deals with the high power, heat should be dissipated out. Therefore, the size of conductor is small compared to underground system. So the conductor used in underground system is very high because heat dissipation will not be there underground. So the cable should be insulated in proper manner to withstand the heat produced by the wires. But if you're going to see here, what is it? The conductor is very small when compared to your underground because heat can be dissipated in the environment because it is present outside. Interference with the communication line or run along the transmission line. In this case, it is possible to cause electromagnetic interface. Electromagnetic interface problem will be the interference problem will be there in the overhead, and underground it will not be there. Proximity effect, the distance between conductors is very high, so proximity does not affect. Proximity effect is what is that term? See, in conductor carrying alternating current are flowing through one or more other nearby conductors, such as within closely wound coil of wire. The distribution of current within conductor with the next, the resulting is current crowding. If current crowding is there, one conductor is going to take with the current crowding of the next. So that is known as proximity effect. Since I am burying all my wires, all my cables together, I don't have my proximity effect. But if you're going to see, the distance between the conductors is very high, so proximity effect will not be there. But here it will be more. Why? Because totally I'm burying my wires together. No, so my proximity effect will be very high. Then application, the cost of this system is low. Therefore, overline. Such as long distance can be done. This is long distance cannot be done, and this use short distance in populated areas. And this is my reference. Thank you.